Hi guys, and welcome to Trinket Corner. Today we are going to make a floating island with waterfalls. I'm going to place our floating island in this glass display dome. I carved the base to make a small pond. Then I painted the bottom navy and dry brush with lighter blue color. This step is optional, but I decided to make the borders brown. I cut some moss and add PVA glue until it looks like a paste. To be honest, I think I added too much PVA. But that's totally fine because when it's dry, PVA becomes transparent. Add this paste to the borders and leave it to dry for 24 hours. There will be a tree on top of our floating island, so I decided to make it from wires. Simply twist a bunch of wires until you are happy with the result. You can always add more if you feel you need to. I covered the wires with PVA and let it dry. When there is a layer of PVA on top of the wires, it will make it easier to paint them later. I painted brown and then glue on some moss on top. This island has to be light, that's why I'm using Styrofoam. I cut a rough cylinder and then make it hollow. Heat gun melts styrofoam, so I use it to smooth any surfaces that are too rough. I hot glue several small pieces of wires on the bottom. They will represent different roots. I paint the outer surface brown. I cut small pieces of plastic bottle to serve as bases for waterfalls. Then I hot glue plastic pieces to the island. Hot glue will melt the plastic, so you need to be careful. I cut off the excess. Your waterfall's height plus the tree must be lower than the height of your dome. I paint the bottom of the lake on the island blue, but I keep the waterfalls transparent. It's time to add UV resin. As usual, I work in layers. I hold it straight and let the gravity do its work. Then, using the same UV resin, I attach the waterfalls to the base. I also added some UV resin on the back side of the waterfall because it was too smooth. Also, it will add strength. I wrapped several rounds of thread across the base to make it a little wider because my dome was not holding too well. Add clear gel acrylic medium on water surface to create waves. It will dry and become fully transparent. I paint the borders brown and the project is ready. This is the final result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon.